Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you've got your campervan, your bed is made, but something's missing. Privacy and maybe a little extra comfort from the sun. If you've ever wanted to turn your van into a cozy, private sanctuary, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the living in a bubble rear window cover for our 2007 Toyota Hiace Commuter. Before we get started, let's quickly look at what's in the kit. You've got the window cover itself, of course, and then in this little bag, you have everything you need for the installation. We're talking a couple of alcohol pads and very strong magnets. It's all included, so you don't have to worry about buying anything extra. Alright, let's get this installed. Step 1. Grab one of the alcohol wipes and give the top of your window frame a good clean. This is super important because you want the sticky magnets to have a nice, clean surface to attach to. Step 2. Grab your sticky magnets and line them up with the magnets that are already sewn into the window cover. This gives you a perfect guide for where they need to go on the window. Now, here's a little pro tip. Leave a small gap above the magnet so that the seam on the cover lines up properly. Once you've got them all lined up, you just peel off the backing and stick them onto the window frame. It's that easy. The magnets should look something like this. When you're done with the magnets, align the window cover properly. You'll hear a satisfying thump as the magnets lock into place. And just like that, no more sun, you've got a cool, dark van and instant privacy. It truly makes the biggest difference for your comfort and peace of mind on the road. If you're ready to transform your van into a truly private and comfortable sanctuary, this is the one accessory you absolutely need. Click the link in the description below to explore our full range of window covers and find the perfect fit for your van. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more van life tips and product reviews. We'll see you on the road.